Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Snapchat account on Android. It's pretty easy, so let's get right into it. Once you're in your Snapchat account, head over to your profile by clicking the profile icon on the top left corner. Once you're there, head over to settings, scroll down until you see a help center. Tap on it, and when you're there, search for delete my Snapchat. Search for it. Now, as you can see to the search result, click on how do I deactivate or delete my Snapchat account. Now scroll down and go to Snapchat accounts portal. Here you have to give your username or email address, and they will ask for a password from you, that is your Snapchat password. And once you have given that, your account will be deactivated, not deleted. Wait for it until we get to the final goal. So they will give you an ultimatum or a time being of 30 days to delete your Snapchat account. Maybe you can change your mind within the 30 days. If you change your mind within 30 days, you can already reactivate your account once you have deactivated it. But if you do not reactivate within 30 days of deactivation, then your account will be permanently deleted. So yeah, that's it. That was easy, right? If this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up for more tips and tricks, and we will see you in the next video.